How to enable or disable fingerprint always on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and tap on biometrics and then tap on fingerprint. Now on this screen here, enter your current screen PIN or password and then tap on the continue button. Then we go down and tap on fingerprint always on. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now when this is on, you can scan your fingerprint even when the screen is off. So the screen is off, you just have to scan it like this and that will allow you to quickly unlock. If we switch it off, then we cannot use it. So here when the screen turns off, we cannot use it. We have to turn on the screen, and on the lock screen, then you can use the fingerprint. That will require you to take an additional step, something that you may or may not want. So here you can go in and switch it on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and leave a comment if you have any issue or if this video has helped you. And subscribe to my channel for more videos.